Let's see how we can add rectangular lights in a 3D model. I will set an interior scene as current and I will initiate an interactive render. And you can see the render, it is all black because there is no light added inside the room yet. For adding a rectangular light, you have to click its icon and you have to click first corner point and then second corner point. Hold shift key to control the direction of light. Now you can move it at the place where you want. Let's check how our render changes after adding this rectangular light. I am setting the scene to corner view and initiating the render. And now you can see some light inside the room. Let's open the assets editor and see how we can adjust its settings. So you can see rectangular light is added under the light category along with sunlight. Highlight it by clicking its name and then click the arrow to see more settings. I am going to increase its intensity, and as the interactive render is on, you will see the update immediately. You can also check other settings given in this panel. Change the color of light. You can make it invisible by going into the options and click the checkbox that says invisible. Let's add one more rectangular light in this area. So this is how we add rectangular lights in a 3D model. You can go ahead and play with its settings and observe how the render changes when you change a particular setting. Note down the observations somewhere because it is going to help you set your own render environment for your future projects. Let me know if you find any difficulty by writing in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your queries. And do let me know if there is any particular topic on which you want to learn more. I will try to make a video that can help you. And in the end, I would say that if you like this video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I will talk about V-Ray sphere lights. So stay connected.